My friends at Olight sent me this flashlight, and it's customized. It even has family DIY TV on there. So this is the ArkPro. This has 3 settings. It has a flood setting, it has a spotlight setting, and a UV setting. And all the adjustment is pretty much right here. So in this setting, I have the spotlight setting. All right. If I rotate this, boom, like that, you see it even lights up, tells you where it's at. You have your spotlight, and then you have your UV. Now UV can be used basically to find stains and weird things, but it can also be used to find stains in like oil stains and engine bays and things like that, antifreeze, stuff like that will also reflect from it. Also seen people use it in the woods to find like reflecting rocks. I don't know. It also has this button here on the side that enables the laser pointer. Okay, so you can see that there. When you want to adjust the intensity, you can, so let me put it on this one. You hold it down and you'll see it actually gets brighter if you see that here. It's in the middle of the day, so not the best time to make a flashlight video, but you can see that. All right, so it's extremely bright. Nice EDC flashlight. You have your clip here. This allows you to clip it to a hat. That's what that part is. I really like that, or other things. And then obviously you can put it in your pocket like that. It's really nice and thin. It also can be charged 2 ways, which I really like as well. It can be charged with the magnetic charger that comes with. This is also magnetic here. Or you can plug a USB-C in right here, which I really like. It's actually my preferred way of charging it. I don't like proprietary chargers. I think USB-C is just the way to go, and I have a ton of those cables. I also like that it's customizable, pretty cool. These guys put family DIY on there. I really appreciate that. But yeah, check it out. This is the ArkPro flashlight from Olight.